What's up, traders? I hope everybody out there is having a great day. This is Elijah coming at you with some of my trades for today, which is August 13th, 2019. So let's begin with CGC. My man William, who does trade reviews, called out CGC in the chat room this morning pre-market. He was noting that the previous 2 days were pretty good hammers, and it looked like it was set up for a breakout. So I made note of that, added it to my watch list, and I thought, if it comes down here, like right around here, 3270s, and then bounces, it may be good for a long based on this setup. So I saw a hammer here, there's another hammer here. I decided to go long. Usually I don't go this early in the market because of the crazy volatility that can happen, but CGC was actually trading kind of slow. However, I took a quick partial all the way up. I think I still had about half my position left right here. I was waiting and hoping this would pop back up to 34. That was my goal, to get to 34, and it didn't, at least not during the first 15 minutes, so I got out. And it looks like it was a good decision because it came back all the way down here. I guess it double bottomed right here, and now it may go up, but that's not one of those things you want to hope for or wish for. You just got to play what's in front of you, play what you see. That's the key. That's what I'm learning. So on my other trade, it was on DCPH. You'll notice DCPH went from, I don't know, what was it, the 20s yesterday, somehow up to 43. I don't know the news, but there's some news. It always news behind these things. But so what happened was, let's see, the first few minutes it started to sell off, and it kept going. And right here on the 5 minute, I was watching probably around 37, 36, 35, and part of me is like, well, I could short, could go lower, but that's not really a good strategy. I mean, what if it just pops on you? And it's not near any moving averages, so I didn't want to do that. So I waited I saw this, and I was like, okay, that's a nice hammer. And let's see, what did I trade? And I got in right here. It had that moving average. However, before I got in, I told myself this will probably come somewhere around here before it goes up. I literally said that to myself in my head, and I said, but I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna add here, just like I did on my Roku trade on Friday. In my mind, I knew it was gonna happen. However, once it got to here, my mind switched, and it's like, uh-oh, I gotta get out. Oh no, don't get out. No, you knew this was gonna happen. No. All this conflicting thoughts and blah blah blah. So, because I think like that, I think I should have just waited. I should have waited for this hammer right here, then got in. I'm glad it worked out. So I sold a quarter, and I just got out here because this thing was like popping 37.70, then back down to 36.35. I was like, it's too much. Then I saw it start to go up again, popped. I got in and I got out real quick. I overtraded this. Then I saw this. I saw it would look like an ascending triangle here on the 1 minute. 5 minute looked good. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna go in right here. Now this doesn't look like much, but this is like, I got in like 37.20s and it came down to like 36.80s. So it's a big, though it's tiny, it's a pretty big candle. So thankfully it popped, got out, and I waited with about in anticipation of it hitting 39, but I guess I should have known better because of this moving average. So I just got out before it started going down again. But yeah, those are my trades. Thank you all for your time. Appreciate the comments, and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.